It is so windy outside today. Hey guys, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxana with SoilandMagaritas. I am so glad that you're here today. As you already know, and you're probably already guessing what's inside this box, Christmas is arriving early this year. Ever since I saw a couple of YouTubers highlight this amazing garden tool here, I knew I wanted one. So when Hoselink contacted me about working with them and getting one of these pieces, I was all in. I have to say I am very excited. I haven't opened these bags because I was waiting for like a nice sunny warm day here in Indiana, but it has been crazy windy and cold, and today hopefully the audio is okay, but I am very excited. So let's see what they sent me. Okay, it's a magazine. This is cool. Oh, okay. So I think this is like a guide. So when I am ready to install this in the spring, this will be my guide for the hose. Oh, that's neat. Oh. Okay. I don't know how I can do this. All right. What else is in here? So this is it, you guys. It's actually not that heavy. It is not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so this is, okay. Oh, that's nice. See, I wasn't sure if they were gonna send this, but I guess this comes. Nice. See what I was saying? This thing here is what you will use as a guide to attach these screws to whatever wall or post you're going to be installing this on. Okay, I gotta try this. I have been wanting to do this. If you don't know what this product is, it is basically a garden hose reel that it retracts on its own. I don't know about you, but I'm always tripping over the hoses that I leave laying around because they're always too much work to put away and without kinking. But this hose reel fixes that problem. You start by pulling the hose away from the unit to get as much length as you need. You do your watering, and when you're ready to put the hose away, you simply pull away slightly. It doesn't take that much, and the hose goes back in on its own. I just don't think that it can get any better than that. The hose reel comes with a couple of quick connects, a sprayer, but if you have a favorite, you can just attach your own. And it comes with all the hardware and equipment necessary to mount it on your house, a building, or whatever it is that you need it. I am actually leaning more towards installing it on a post on the side of the house, just in case I change my mind later about moving it, and we all know how that goes. I'm so excited! So, because they are such an amazing company, they decided to provide 2 of these Hoslinks. This is what I'm going to do. Here on YouTube, I'm going to give away 1. And the other one, you need to go to my Instagram account. Just to be fair, some people that have YouTube don't have Instagram, and some of the Instagrammers don't have YouTube. I don't know. All you have to do here on YouTube, follow me if you aren't following me, and follow Hoselink as well. I will add all of the links in the description below so that you know where to find things. And leave me a comment. Do you have any use for one of these in your own garden? I know that my garden is not huge. It's on a very small property. I live in the city, so But this is going to be amazing. Not having to fight the hose every time that I water, it's just going to be just amazing, you guys. And this thing is going to save me time, and it's just going to make something that I already love, which is watering, even better. I know not everybody like watering. I don't know, I'm a special case, I guess. This is so nice, you guys. I'm very excited. And for your other chance, my cat is like calling me. And if you are on Instagram, go ahead and go over there and sign up over there as well. You will know where to find the picture to enter for the giveaway over there as well. And stay tuned, you guys, because actually I am not going to style this right now because it's fall, winter's coming. I do not want to leave this outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back in the box. I just wanted to show you guys for the giveaway. And I'm actually going to wait until early spring so that my husband can style it for me. I am still debating exactly where I wanted it, but regardless, you will see that process as well, and I will do an update of how I am liking this in next year. Thank you for being here. Happy early holidays, and until the next video.